Heavy gun battle broke out between Zaliangrong United Front ZUF, Armed Wing, Zaliangrong Tiger Force ZTF and Kuki Underground outfits around 7:40 a.m. this morning at Kharam, Vaiphei village in Kangpokpi district. According to a press communique issued by Ministry of Information and Publicity ZUF, at least 2 or 3 Kuki cadres may be seriously injured, while Zaliangrong Tiger Force reached the camp safely. The statement mentioned that the gun battle was compelled by serious concerns over submission of topographical map in support of demand for separate administration, alleged illicit poppy cultivation, activities along German Road and Tiger Road, and establishment of unauthorized camps under suspension of Operation Sioux framework and other unlawful activities within Zaliangrong Inpui traditional territory. ZUF further stated that it does not oppose any legitimate aspirations of Kuki people within their recognized native land, but it firmly asserted that no Kuki land can exist within Zaliangrong Inpui ancestral territory. Reaffirming its commitment to protect its land and people, the organization stated that no encroachment will be tolerated and asserted that unlawful occupants to pack their belongings and leave the area to avoid further escalation. Meanwhile, Kuki in P Southwest Sadar Hills strongly condemned the firing incident at Kharam, Vaiphei village this morning. In a statement issued by its Department of Information Publicity, Kuki in P Southwest Sadar Hills asserted that the unprovoked firing and bombing in residential area inhabited by innocent civilians caused terror and psychological trauma to the villages, particularly among women and children. Further stating that the persistence of such unlawfulness during the current period of President's rule is regrettable and unacceptable. The organization demanded the authorities to identify and apprehend perpetrators immediately to ensure they face maximum punishment under the law.